Hey everybody, welcome back to another Jackson Jet Setting Resort review. Today we are checking out the Marriott Waikoloa Beach Resort located on the Big Island of Hawaii. We used a 40,000 point certificate from our Marriott Bonvoy Titanium status for hitting 75 nights. Let's see how it went. So this is the main valet area. No valet parking right now because of COVID, but self-parking, which is paid per night, was available right off the side of where I shot that shot, so not too far from the main lobby. This is the main lobby. Everything looks new and redone. There's the main check-in area. Was really impressed with how this looked, especially compared to the Hilton Waikoloa where we were coming from over the past week. There are two towers at the Marriott. One side is the main hotel side, which is where we stayed, and there's also a Marriott Vacation Club side of the resort. As you can see, it's not gigantic, especially compared to the Hilton Waikoloa next door, but had all the amenities that we needed for our one-night stay, and we actually liked it a lot better than the Hilton. Here's the main coffee shop on that lobby level. Good for grabbing a to-go snack for breakfast if you don't have it included with your stay for some reason. And this is the main pool area. Two main pools, one infinity pool overlooking another, which also had the water slide. Really beautiful pool complex. Right there is the main building and also where you'll find the resort's restaurant. Only one restaurant was open during our stay, serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The resort does charge a resort fee, but they do give you 2 welcome drinks, which we were pretty happy with, given we were only staying there for one night and we could use that over there at the bar. Here's the gym. It was open for guests. You need to make a reservation. And here's the main pool complex. We'll do a little walkthrough here. So as you can see, one of the pools is infinity, overlooking the slide pool, which also had a little kiddie area with a little sandy bottom, which I found pretty cool. I noticed that a lot of resorts in Hawaii have that. So you'll notice that the resort is, of course, on the ocean. There is a beach for the resort. All Hawaiian beaches are public, so nothing too private, I would say, if you're used to resorts in, say, Mexico or the Caribbean. But in between the beach and the main resort are the fish ponds, which have a lot of historical significance in Hawaiian culture, so definitely cool to check out, learn a little bit about your destination. There's the slide and the nice rock garden that goes into the pool, and the main hotel tower that we were staying in as well. It's not Hawaii without a luau, and this is the luau garden, so a couple days a week the hotel will host a luau right there on the ocean. Well, we didn't get a chance to try it while we were there, but definitely check it out if you do. It's always a good time, and each one's different, so maybe try a few while you're on vacation. So now we're just walking through the fish ponds over to the main beach area. Of course, we are on the Big Island, so you'll see lots of lava everywhere. It's pretty much the main feature of the island. On the far end of the island from the Marriott is Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Definitely worth a day trip. I really can't say that you visited the Big Island of Hawaii without seeing an active volcano, so definitely check that out. So there's plenty to rent on the beach. They have snorkel gear, which is included as a half day for Marriott Bonvoy guests. But you don't need to. buy anything from the resort. You can just plop your beach towel right there on the beach and have a great time. As you can see, it was a really calm day, really nice day for the beach. One thing not to miss, which isn't technically on the resort, is the Lava Club, which is located to the right if you're looking straight at the resort from the beach, and you can walk there. Some of the best food that we had during our stay was here, a lot cheaper than resort food, and a great environment right there on the beach. So definitely check that out. Check out the sizzling shrimp and all the drink specials. Have a Mai Tai. It's an awesome place. The resort also has some high-end suites that are closer to the beach, which you can see right here. Didn't have a chance to tour them, but I'm sure they're quite nice. And then on the timeshare side of the resort, there were some grills and picnic areas for guests to use, so definitely take advantage of that if you're staying on that side of the resort. So there is a spa. We're back in the main building of the resort. Didn't have a chance to get a massage or anything. Generally, we avoid those just because they're a little too expensive at the resort, but that's available if you need it, as well as the resort shop. And this is all located right next to the main guest elevators on the regular hotel side of the hotel. So now let's head up the elevators and through the hallway to our room, which was a nice upgrade to an oceanfront room, and you'll see how impressed we were with the view right now. So as you enter the room, you'll see that things are newly redone. The room itself, not gigantic by any means, but had all the essentials. A sliding door, so definitely some noise coming from the bathroom. If you're sharing a room with someone and they're brushing their teeth late at night or something like that, you'll probably hear it in bed. So nothing too special in the bathroom area, but it seemed newly redone to us. And then we weren't able to confirm a king bed, but they have kings and two doubles. I'll say that the doubles felt a little small to me, so keep that in mind if you're sharing a room with a family. I'm always very impressed with the tech behind the Marriott TVs. You can always stream Netflix consistently across the brand. I can't remember the last time I stayed at a Marriott that I wasn't able to do that, which I can't say for Hyatt or Hilton. So let's check out the view. This is a pretty nice view here. As you can see, you got the mountain in the background, the pools, and the beach beyond. So can't really ask for anything better. So if you're looking for an awesome ocean view while you're in Hawaii, definitely book the oceanfront view rooms here at this resort. And so I just wanted to show quickly what our breakfast looked like as Marriott Titaniums. That's it for 2 people. Not very much. Wasn't super impressed with that, though the quality of the food was good, if just a little small.